Discover 12 incredible health benefits of berberine in this informative video. From supporting weight loss and improving blood sugar levels to enhancing heart health and boosting your metabolism, berberine is a powerful natural supplement with a wide range of benefits. Learn how it works, the science behind its effects, and how you can incorporate it into your wellness routine. Don't miss out on the key information that could transform your health journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and insights. Disclaimer: this video is for information or educational purposes only. This is not a substitute for medical advice or care. Please contact a health professional before using any supplements. Thank you. Number 1. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. One of the most well-researched benefits of berberine is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Berberine works by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the production of glucose in the liver, which makes it an effective natural remedy for managing high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. Unlike many prescription medications, it also reduces insulin resistance. Berberine activates AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, an enzyme that plays a crucial role in cellular energy regulation, effectively mimicking some effects of exercise and calorie restriction. Studies have shown that berberine can lower fasting blood glucose, reduce HbA1c levels, a marker for long-term blood sugar control, and even match the effectiveness of certain diabetes medications without significant side effects. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. Berberine has been found to aid in weight loss by improving metabolic function. When AMPK is activated, it helps increase fat burning and reduce fat storage. This enzyme also inhibits fat cell production, aiding in weight management. Clinical studies have demonstrated that taking berberine over a few months can lead to a noticeable reduction in body fat, particularly in the belly area. In addition to improving metabolism, berberine may also suppress appetite, which can be beneficial for those struggling with overeating. Number 3. Improves heart health. Berberine supports heart health in multiple ways. It has been shown to reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, helping to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, good cholesterol. By improving lipid profiles, berberine helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases like atherosclerosis. Additionally, berberine's blood sugar lowering effects can help prevent diabetes-related heart complications. It also supports blood vessel health by improving endothelial function, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevents blood clots, thereby reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. Number 4. Supports gut health. Berberine's antimicrobial properties help maintain a balanced gut microbiome by inhibiting harmful bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens, while promoting the growth of beneficial gut flora. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Berberine can be particularly useful for conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, and gastrointestinal infections. By supporting gut health, berberine indirectly aids in reducing inflammation, boosting mood, and enhancing overall well-being. Number 5. Provides antioxidant support. Berberine is packed with powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and cellular damage. This oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging and many chronic diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. The antioxidants in berberine help protect cells from damage, slow down the aging process, improve skin health, and boost the immune system. By reducing oxidative damage, berberine also lowers inflammation, contributing to overall health. Number 6. Enhances mental health. Recent studies suggest that berberine can have neuroprotective effects, making it beneficial for cognitive function and mental health. Berberine's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain can help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It may also improve memory, focus, and learning ability. Additionally, berberine has shown potential in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety by balancing neurotransmitters and reducing brain inflammation. Number 7. Boosts energy levels. If you often feel tired or sluggish, berberine could give you the energy boost you need. By activating AMPK, berberine helps improve cellular energy production, allowing your cells to generate more energy. This can result in enhanced stamina, better endurance during workouts, and an overall feeling of alertness throughout the day. The increased energy levels are particularly beneficial for those with metabolic conditions or chronic fatigue. Number 8. Supports healthy liver function. Berberine has been found to be beneficial for liver health, especially in reducing fatty liver disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is a common condition associated with obesity and metabolic syndrome. Berberine can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and improve liver enzyme levels, which are markers of liver health. Additionally, its ability to lower blood sugar and improve lipid profiles further supports liver function, reducing the risk of cirrhosis and other liver-related issues. Number 9. Promotes longevity. Due to its ability to activate AMPK, reduce inflammation, and provide antioxidant support, berberine has been linked to increased lifespan in some studies. By improving metabolic health, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting cellular repair mechanisms, berberine can play a role in promoting healthy aging. The compound's effects on blood sugar, heart health, and inflammation are all factors that contribute to a longer and healthier life. Number 10. Assists in fighting infections. Berberine's antimicrobial properties make it effective in combating a range of infections, from bacterial to viral and fungal. It can be particularly useful for treating infections that are resistant to conventional antibiotics. Berberine has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. This makes it a valuable supplement for those prone to infections or looking to maintain overall health by keeping harmful microbes at bay. Number 11. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, from arthritis and heart disease to autoimmune conditions and even cancer. Berberine's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the body's inflammatory response, which can alleviate symptoms of chronic conditions like joint pain, digestive issues, and skin disorders. By lowering inflammation, berberine can improve overall health and well-being, making it a valuable tool for both preventive care and the management of chronic diseases. Number 12. Enhances exercise performance. Berberine's energy-boosting and fat-burning properties can translate into improved exercise performance. By increasing cellular energy and promoting efficient fat utilization, berberine can help athletes and fitness enthusiasts perform better, recover faster, and build muscle more effectively. Additionally, its ability to reduce muscle damage and lactic acid buildup can lead to less soreness and quicker recovery times, allowing for more consistent and effective training. These benefits make berberine a powerful natural supplement with a wide range of applications for improving overall health, preventing disease, and enhancing physical and mental performance.